Mixed Media Watercolor Tutorials with Miss O.
In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can incorporate collage in with watercolor.
Here I'm showing you how I went about laying in my background watercolor and the techniques that I use that we covered in an earlier video. Start by adding a small section of glue. You don't want to add too much to where it dries before you have a chance to put your paper on. Tear tiny pieces of color with texture or movement in it to add a neat effect to your painting. It's perfectly okay for your pieces to be a little bigger and let them overlap. Be sure to vary the colors and patterns you use as you start gluing down. This is going to give your picture more interest. This is one of 8 techniques I'll be demonstrating on my channel. Come back for the other 7 and see how you can add them and experiment with your own artwork.